If you've been eyeing a Cadillac, don't skip this video. Cadillac is rolling out the red carpet this spring, and Falls Cadillac in Niagara Falls is the place to take advantage of it.
Finance your new Cadillac at 0% for up to 60 months on approved credit.
Or lock in an ultra-low rate of just 0.99% for 84 months on select models.
Take up to $15,000 in cash purchase credit and put that money where it belongs, in your pocket.
Already a Cadillac owner? You're rewarded for it.
Get up to $2,000 in loyalty bonuses for returning customers on top of everything else.
EV owners, we've got the craziest deal of all time for you. An EV owner loyalty rebate of not $1,000, not $2,000, how about $5,000 when you buy or lease a new Cadillac EV?
If you've been looking at the all-electric Optiq or Lyriq, these are the best lease deals of the year.
The Optiq is leading the way at just $288 biweekly plus taxes on approved credit with no money down.
Eligible Costco members get up to $1,200 in additional savings on select model.
And yes, that Costco bonus and EV owner rebate can stack right on top of those lease payments.
Here's the best part. We want your trade.
It doesn't matter what you drive, it doesn't matter what brand, what model, or what year.
We want your trade, and we want to pay you the maximum amount of money possible for the vehicle you are driving right now.
Plus, we are giving every customer up to $1,500 in bonus cash.
Which consists of $500 trade-in bonus, $500 off extended services contract, and $500 off our Falls Cadillac protection package.
Cadillac customers are getting the royal treatment this spring, but these incentives will not last.
When they're gone, they're gone. And with programs this good, inventory is moving fast.
Click the Make Me an Offer Now button below to lock in your share of the savings.
Let Falls Cadillac get you into the model you've been dreaming about. Cadillac has a program for you this spring, and Falls Cadillac is the place to take advantage of it.